Today we'll talk. Now, if we look at the weekly chart of Divis Lab, we can figure it out that it has been making a rising wedge, which indicates a bullish momentum. All right, it has been making a rising wedge, and if we look at the 200-day moving average, 200-week moving average rather, it is just going above it, and it has already broken above the 200 moving average on a daily basis. Now, as far as support and resistance goes, we can figure it out here. A big long bearish candle we have seen, and then consolidation has happened, and again after going to around 2730, the stock is recovering, and it is again consolidating at the same point. All right, and from here we can see it has risen up. So this is a very important area of support, we can say. Here we have seen price reacting to the support zone. Here we have seen second one, here consolidation, here again, and then again here. So it's a very important point. Now if we draw the fib retracement on a weekly time frame, let's draw the fib from the highest to the lowest point. We can see that on a weekly time frame it has just gone above the 0.382 level. 0.382, zero point 0.5 and 0.618, these are the three important levels for fib, very important level, but the price has not yet closed on a weekly candle, so we will prefer to wait and let the candle close over here, so we can know that there is additional confirmation that the stock may rally upward from here. For aggressive buyers, entry can be made on a Monday when the stock remains above this price, that is around 3800 level. For conservative buyers, we will wait for the price to break out above this wedge, take a pullback, and then take an entry over here. Now, as far as profit booking is concerned, you can see if we take the trade over here, an upward profit booking to the nearest resistance where it made the high is around 41%. Even for those who want to take the trade over here, still after the breakout, you are getting around close to 30%, 28, 29, 30% of profit. Now let's take a quick look at its forecast by various analysts, earning forecast. We can see here on a quarter to quarter basis, forecast has been on a higher side. Here also on a year to year basis, it is on a higher side. Revenue also quarter to quarter basis has been shown. You can just see the bars are rising here, and on an annual basis also it is rising. Now if we look at the OI chart, we can also find out. Now remember, if the future OI is increasing and also the price is increasing, that indicates a bullish momentum. And we can see here, you see the long build-up and short covering. So those who have shorted here, they are squaring off their position because they expect the price to rise up again. So there has been short covering, which is shown by the light green bar, and the dark green bar shows long build-up. All right. Hope it helps. Please do like the video. It will keep me motivated to come up with new momentum stocks every now and then. Thank you.